If you are wondering if we have AI features on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, then the answer is yes. We do have some AI tools available on this device, and if you're looking for them, you just have to simply open the settings. Then over here we can find Xiaomi Hyper AI, where I believe we can find most, if not all, of these AI features. Of course, we also have some standard Google AI features as well, like for example Gemini, the assistant, the AI assistant that is available on pretty much every other Android smartphone. There is also Circle to Search, which you can activate by pressing and holding a finger on the home button or the navigation bar. But besides that, we have Xiaomi AI tools like, for example, dynamic wallpapers over here, where we can turn a static image into an animation. We have the AI writing tool, we have the creativity assistant, where we have a bunch of different tools for the photo and video editor. We have speech recognition for the recorder, we have translation, translate conversation tool, and the interpreter for calls, and also the AI subtitles tool. In some of these cases, you can also go through these options in order to immediately start using these AI features, or you can find instruction on how to use that specific AI tool. So once you have your Xiaomi 17T Pro, you can check that out and find out how to make use of them. And in some cases, you can also find some of the settings, like for example, here we have the automatic language recognition. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.